Good morning.
Good morning.
Rich. As I.
Yeah.
Bibi
Aboko. Now so
in good spirits. Very, very a lot of.
And to be na mko kan but and you be this uncle man watch it all.
And to
so you.
Oh, I don't know. Help me.
Oh, more podcast you see. And to be am kan
who's it? The word that Michael used, was overboard.
Yeah.
And it was overboard. The word that Michael using was overboard. And but when him say, so do you name me? You've worked with me for almost 6 years now. I've also worked with Delali Atiasi and Javier. These are like very old men.
Yeah.
None of them has had a problem with me in terms of respect. I mean, I am a senior colleague. Even those are me bear with age. Sometimes I need to say penny but Fatilo is close to me with age. I don't disrespect him.
So respect, no.
Zando
reciprocal.
Exactly. Zando I don't ever disrespect Zando. It's not in my nature. You understand? And Michael can sure say he had seen the said interview.
Okay.
To be very honest, me may say the response from other colleagues. No, I was taken aback because not me who am interview. No cranny. Michael too had not seen that interview. I think that what we had seen was the course of our crown that he had seen. But again, let me still insist and reiterate: say the word Michael used fully, was not a word that he's supposed, and it is not even his character. On Tessa, exactly on Tessa.
The banker I know
exactly on Tessa. For that to happen now, me say Obika say me na make us will be pen numbers. I didn't say that. If you look at the video, I didn't even speak. I was on my phone.
Okay. But it's good so Apache.
And I want to be this, this has never been my nature. And it will not. And once we finish the backlash, I went to watch the video again. And I make a check Mike. And I told him in front today, I say, I then the word ni using the Becca down there. Or call out of no sino papa me the map me per time we metro. The personalization of the whole issue right there, I don't think it should go there. But and yes, I need here. And I'm happy say sleeping dogs have gone to liar. And it's good. Go on and have your conversation. Now and go for no one good fellow video.
So on the Sunday, your board game and on the Sunday.
Yeah.
And before the game, no, didn't catch them.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah,
Obesa Charles Justin was here. Now say PSG Justin was strong. Into say your pong.
Yeah.
Na Arsenal into me and Gia.
Yeah.
No ye PSG Justin na ka. And Chelsea dear no.
Yeah.
Because Uncle Fonsi say, "Omuntimi me ye de o landing kuro nim." Eba ni Europe. Mon come on into.
But you no clearly. I predicted that Arsenal will win.
Yeah.
But me should give them who's a no me Chelsea. Like as a didn't move. It's serious
on radio. What predicted Arsenal? But you started a game no.
What I'm saying no me Chelsea you don't know.
So na Chelsea.
My guy is popular today say you know. Me just so be a celebrity. And I will call Facebook and I say London it is blue. And you now fellow to know champions of Europe, they will never sing it. Champions of Europe, you will never sing it. And so as number winning in next year, but se see it here, dear. You catch him, Mr. Tiasimoni, as the 40 say champions of Europe, dear. As far as we are in London, they will not sing it. Free London. Then they can sing champions of Europe. But Rich, that's on a lighter side from a fan point of view. I think that whatever happens, one of the reasons why I'm a little bit worried about sad game for Arsenal was the fact that Champions League, say Oba Bejia, Ebosu with heartbreak before.
We go final number Onji.
Yes, Onji.
To probably be the following season.
Yes.
So to me, Kodia no reward.
Yes, not reward. That's what the Champions League does to you, and we've seen it over the last few years. Those that come close, Obiti say Atletico Madrid, Obehu, but when you're consistent to come back, Team B to say Juventus in the last 30 years, or got finals 5 times, but they are sporadic, so they don't tend to win. Manchester City is on the other side, or started by a final, they lose here. Then 2 years or so later, they came to win it. If you are consistent with data, I am very certain say, actually in the next 5 years, Chelsea fans will not be able to tell Arsenal fans say they will never sing champions of Europe again. Acha, 5 years crowd also 3 they'll be able to win it. But
before I bet the game in common,
yeah,
game na kasa 2 teams no game no boy no.
Yeah,
emi 2 expectations. Sana na we.
Yes,
say besi o game no.
Yes, especially say na Arsenal share first goal.
They will sit deep.
Yes, I expected them to play because Rich, that is their stock in trade. Rich will be adia me. First, Mikel Arteta bought the best team for Arsenal. He played the most hard-working team for Arsenal.
Arinja.
Okay. When he started the game, on the left-hand side, he started with Leandro Trossard, and about Bukayo Saka, and about Miles Lewis-Kelly, Wambo Zubimendi, and about Declan Rice, and about Martin Odegaard, and about Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz because he can come into the middle, hold up, play all of those things. But when you look at players like Miles Lewis-Kelly, and you add Leandro Trossard, these are 2 players who are 2 of Arsenal's most hard-working players, even away from technical ability. Into Obianim Trossard, he knows Trossard to be a very good technical player, or back inside into the channel, he hits you, he scores goals, all of those things. We know Miles Lewis-Kelly, he picks the ball from deep, carries it forward, creates chances for you, but he also works hard for the team. So Mikel Arteta, especially in midfield and attack, picked up his hard-working team. Trophy na mom. And immediately Kai Havertz got that first goal, Arsenal were bent on showing friends and Paris Saint-Germain the different side of football that they probably have not seen before. Which the first half was for Arsenal, limiting them into very, very minute spaces, inconsequential in the grand scheme of things. For say Paris Saint-Germain you should get any results. No, they did it, making sure say almost without the ball, you're very compact. People speak of Christian Mosquera and the mistake in the second half. Marriage, everybody has forgotten say in the first half, what was going on was that Victor Koreskele Nyabona, he's coming directly at him. Na Bukayo Saka Baba young boy no, because Omonim say we in team man starting.
And me Kaiser before the game.
Yeah.
Na ya la kre kase. So o sha asene chire ho na.
Yeah.
Player ba ko no feel say.
Yeah.
Victor game na obody ma price and mo betimi containing no. Was Jalen Timber.
Yeah, on Saturday, that's the analysis I did.
Which, when Timian started game, no, Mosquera and the boy. And I think that penalty, it was very unnecessary.
You see,
time and not pass in a banana. So no foot on to me, you born it, yeah. Found no one thing.
You see,
a man in quality boxing.
Saturday, no, when I was a Gabi, I told him this.
Okay.
Say, Ope Arsenal player 1v1 Edding Sobechina, a William Timber. And I told Gabi, say, I think that Mikel Arteta taking risks, no, although William Timber 100% fit, but still on mono. So both William Timber will be able to contain Vicha for the long term. He's also more experienced. But Mikel Arteta decided to go with Christian Mosquera and then add a branch of friend Bukayo Saka to it. So maybe Bukayo Saka will help Mosquera to do their job on Vicha. But Luis Enrique changed something in the second half people have not realized. In the first half, it was Victor Koreskele and the foul ball echoed straight at Mosquera. But what they did in the second half was to do a lot of combination play. Into Ushaya. Send your money here, Michael Olise in the Bayern game. Say, ball long ball, and Paris Saint-Germain players go outside. No, that's what they did to Bukayo Saka. And in the attack, they did a reverse to Mosquera. In the lead up to that penalty, it was Nuno Mendes' mom and they keep you waiting. No? Yeah. Then Victor plays the combination play. Your friend 1-2. No, Obama will make it that run. In that state, Mosquera is focusing on the ball, but Victor is too quick. Gets in front of him, Rich. 9 out of 10 times, either you commit, or you stay out.
It was a clear penalty.
9 out of 10 times, you commit or you stay out of it. At that point, I'm saying, Rich, I need to commend Miles Lewis-Kelly. Yeah, meaning for they say attack about too defensive. Anything where we need match, no. That is how Arteta have played throughout the season, especially in games like that. Again on Saturday, I showed Gabi the number of games that Arsenal boy lead up to the final.
there was only one game and no more than one goal. Nhyira 1 goal 0, 1 goal 0. It was, I think, the Bayern Leverkusen game no 2 goals. Rich. That was Arsenal going into the final. I was expecting so compare two sides now. Arsenal were more depth in terms of quality. So the back four of Paris Saint-Germain, you are talking of Zabani, Beraldo, Hernandez. But only Arsenal back four now. You're talking of Timber, you're talking of Nkapie, you're talking of Calafiori, you're talking of Ben White, you're talking of depth, But I think that for Luis Enrique, he used his squad, the players no better than Mikel Arteta UCL. Because when the game stretched in the second half, I didn't expect him to take off Ousmane Dembele. They were getting tired.
Yeah. Or
the Badi Bakula by. Yeah. And or the Gonzalo Ramos by. He not on Gonzalo Ramos as a profile. But once Badi Bakula is there, Bakula starts the press. Then in the middle, so share only everything free. Because at that point, they needed to match Arsenal's hard work.
That's Arsenal the same.
I'm coming.
Also the Martinelli. And or the Nonima.
That is in the attack. But in the middle, he brought on Berardo, who is from the defense. Our usual center back. And then they from a Fiifi. So Berardo sat. And then he brought Nhyira Emery and Jean Neves. In the extra time, the best player was Jean Neves. Then look at the work of Nhyira Emery as a box-to-box midfielder. Finechi, no Ababe, Juma, no cover ground, no co. When Berardo just sat. And the captain in Marquinhos out of the game. And Bob Branch Elias Zabani. Then allowed Pacho to become the last man. Then Elias Zabani steps up to clear and mop up. I was impressed, honestly. For Mikel Arteta, they are realized more better scored than Paris Saint-Germain, for especially in attack. So when he took away Bukayo Saka, he brought on Noni Madueke, which is good. For Madueke to come in and impress on the team and push there. And Obama as a 10, then push Martinelli to the other side. I think that was a very good substitution to make. But of course, at the end of the day, Luis Enrique was more effective. So people will eventually say Onunenya the success over there for Team Manfred, Arsenal, Paris Saint-Germain. Which, where do you rank Luis Enrique in the list of top coaches in the history of the game? That is
a top 5. Luis Enrique because Champions
League than Salah,
yes, Champions League can was so we Real Madrid are repeater. Say they are the first team
back to back.
Back to back. It is me first 5 year when this second maybe are probably third. Yeah.
You come in third in a list of coaches.
Yeah.
I think that Luis Enrique is a top coach.
Top.
And the kind of job
I demand why Paris Saint-Germain. Look, next season, so we maintain squad we are. No many 1 or 2 players be do augmented squad now. Or message the Champions League.
Well, I think that is probably too early to talk about.
They will.
But the other
that is why I'm saying that. So maintain the core of the team. And then almost saying 1 or 2 players be to augment the squad. I think with what and the Luis Enrique did him way, or make me repeat me
again. Our strong opinions. I just think that it's far fetched, Mr. Yantubazi, and I will from America. I just think it's a little bit far fetched.
Okay.
I just think that it's a little bit far fetched. Understand? A more room, but Paris Saint-Germain will team a bit dominate Europe. Of course, they can dominate Europe. But Rich, don't write off teams like Arsenal. I'm telling you, do not write off even Real Madrid. They are Barcelona a year. Don't write them off. They have been hurt twice. Our Champions League in Comunim. So we ought to be careful. Did you believe in 3 years ago, 5 years ago, so Paris Saint-Germain be Champions League back to
never?
It is the story of football. The story of football. Honestly speaking, sometimes I've always said, and again, I was saying it on Saturday. Clear between the two clubs. Culture. One man came at Arsenal, changed the culture. Luis Enrique came, changed the culture. And the club is where they are. It's
we'll see how it goes. Or rich and then we will quote kakra or social or
media
handles and so.
Okay.
Okay, no Fiifi Manfred. I was in friendly games the baba so.
Okay.
Obenya binti ye baba ka miras.
Fiifi, yen so ye da so